Welcome today in front of me Realme C25Y, and I'll show you how to customize volume panels on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store application and right there find the volume styles application. Tap here to install the application, wait a few seconds and tap to open application. Right now on the right upper corner tap to start. Here tap on the accessibility switcher. Here go to the volume styles app and tap on the switcher to use the volume styles app. Now just tap yes I agree, and right now you can see all the available volume panels, and you can just select one from these panels, for example the iOS one, and now we'll just check. Yes, can you see it's really close to the iPhone one? So for example we just can try this one, the waves. Yes, can you see we got the waves volume panel on our device right now. And by the same way you can select or try one from the another volume panels. So if you just want to turn it off, just tap here on the right upper corner to stop, and as can you see you got here your regular default volume panel. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.